So Himanshu, you want some SnapMock for thermodynamics?
Yes, thermodynamics, RAC,
No,
and
today for which subject you want SnapMock? Because SnapMock will be for one subject only at a time.
okay, no problem. Thermodynamics.
Okay, yes. And if you want full mock, then you can request to Kavita madam. Then like full mock will be collective, combined. It will be like your final interview only. And
Okay, no issue.
in full mock there will be 2 to 3 faculty member will be there. Okay, Manshu.
Okay,
But
okay,
snap mock will be of one subject at a time.
okay.
So for which subject you want snap today, Manshu?
Thermodynamics.
Thermodynamics. Fine.
Yes.
So let me start with thermodynamics, Himanshu. Himanshu, what do you mean by thermodynamic process?
Thermodynamics process.
Mm-hmm.
Um, uh, it is a change of the state. Process. Thermodynamics process is a change of state. A state is a particular. What is a state? A particular condition of any system is known as a state. And if the state changes from the one point, initial point to the final point, then this combined uh, thing is known as a thermodynamics process.
Acha, on PV diagram, if I will ask you to just to draw the different thermodynamic processes, considering
Yes.
the constant pressure, constant volume, polytropic, and adiabatic
Okay.
process, can you draw?
Yes. 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 Of
Okay.
course.
Yes, draw it, Himanshu.
So okay. So let me show you this.
Yes, you can show it to me.
Okay.
Just like
This this is
okay.
adiabatic,
Mm-hmm.
and this is isothermal process. This one is adiabatic, and this is the isothermal.
Okay. And
This
what
is
about
constant
polytropic?
pressure.
What about polytropic?
Polytropic lies between adiabatic and isothermal. This one.
Acha, if I will give you a polytropic process with polytropic index -1,
Yes.
how like where you can locate that process? The expansion process with the polytropic index n equal to -1.
N equal to -1. Okay.
Yes.
So p to the power -1. So p by v equal to constant. So p is proportional to v. Yes. This is the process. This is the polytropic process with n equal to -1.
Acha, out of these different processes, like the constant pressure when n equal to 0, the constant volume
Hmm.
when n equal to infinite, the
Yes.
isothermal when n equal to 1, the adiabatic when n equal to
1.4.
1.4, and this
Yes.
polytropic n equal to -1. So in which case, like the expansion bulk could be highest.
Expansion will be highest. Expansion will be highest
Expansion work.
in
I'm,
that
I'm, I'm asking you expansion work. The initial
expansion
volume
work.
and
Yeah.
final volume, like both are
Yes, yes.
same.
So in the constant pressure process, the expansion work will be highest
Why?
because it will cover the maximum area on that PV diagram.
Mm-hmm. That will cover
The
maximum
constant.
area.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Why not this polytropic?
Uh, Sir, expense. If we consider the thermodynamics work, so it is the area that is covered on the PV diagram.
Fine.
So in that case, if we see if we draw the all the process like this is the constant pressure, constant volume. This is the isothermal, that is adiabatic. So
Mhm.
in my opinion, this is in that case this will be the maximum area that will cover. So the constant pressure must cover the maximum area on the PV diagram. So this will give the maximum
Okay,
work.
okay. Can you draw in this the start process with the origin of this PV diagram?
What?
Can you join this starting process? Like suppose that the whole processes they are starting from some point one. Suppose. Okay. Mark
Okay.
it as point one. The initial process. Yes. This is point one. Can you join this
Yes.
with origin? Can you join this one with origin?
This one.
Yes. And can you extend
Yes.
this line? Can you extend this line?
Yeah.
And can you mention point two anywhere in this line? Like if you are having some kind of expansion.
Yes.
So in which case work will be more?
In that case.
Why you are saying constant pressure?
Oh, sorry, sir. In that case, the P is proportional to V. In that case, means the PV to the power -1, the work will be more. Now I get it.
Okay. So means if you want to actually check whether the work is maximum or not, we will take the area under the curve.
Yes.
Why
But,
actually we are taking the area? What is the reason behind that? How actually we can say that the area under the curve representing the
So
work?
for a reversible process, the work done is given by PdV.
Fine.
No. So if we draw this on the PV curve, so PdV is nothing but it is the area of that diagram. If we find like that f dot dx, if we know the simple calculated work at f dot dx, and f is the p dot a dot dx, so p dot dv. So this is just a area of the PV diagram. So work.
Actually, can you tell me the assumptions? What are the assumptions? Like if you want to write work equal to integration PdV.
Yes. The only assumption is that it is a closed cycle.
Only
Closed cycle and the closed cycle, and second one is the reversible work. There are the two assumptions there.
Why not this is for irreversible?
For irreversible process, we cannot show by directly joining the they are the joined by the continuous line on the PV diagram. As per the convention of the thermodynamics, they are connected by the dotted lines on the PV diagram.
Why with dotted line? What is the reason?
Because there is a very much irreversibility, and we cannot take the same process by reversing the direction. We cannot go to the initial point from the final point. That's why.
No, means we can reverse the direction. We can reverse in irreversible process also. Like if some process is happening from 1 to 2, in irreversible process also we can reverse the direction. But just reversing the direction doesn't mean a process become reversible. Are you getting, Himanshu?
Yeah.
But
yes.
you cannot say ki in irreversible process we cannot reverse the direction. We can reverse.
We can reverse, but we will not get that initial output.
This is some body. It is placed here. I moved it from this point to this point. Again, I am moving this. So I'm reversing it.
Yes. But the condition will be different. So initially, that what was the properties of that point initially, that will not be remain the final condition. There will be some losses there.
No, like the state is fixed. When you are moving it to same state, the initial and final states are same.
But I think there will be some losses like frictions and etc.
Yes, loss will be there. Friction will be there.
Friction will be there, so there will be change of some state.
So what? Yes, change of what? You are thinking right, Himanshu. But change of what? Change of state is actually not right. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you will say change in state is not right. You are reversing the direction. You are again you can say maintaining the system. You are again reaching to the same state. The initial and final states are same. So what is the change? You are thinking right, Himanshu. What is the change? What type of change observing?
There will be definitely some changes in the properties of the system, which was initially there could be some more pressure because
properties में तो change नहीं होगा. Properties में तो change नहीं होगा. Why? Can you tell me why? Because all properties are state function. अभी देखो या तो आप बोलोगे कि state same नहीं होगी. अगर आपने बोल दिया कि you are coming to the same state, so all property changes will be 0.
ठीक है.
Properties are state function. Yes or no?
Yes. These are point function.
Change किस में होगा फिर?
Equilibrium में change होगा क्या? There will be.
पूछ रहे हो मेरे से?
Sorry.
Answer दे रहे हो?
I am not getting.
Okay. ठीक है. Himanshu, can you tell me something about entropy? What is entropy?
Yes. It is the thermal energy per unit temp. It is the thermal energy per unit temperature of the system that is unable to do the useful work, because the useful work can only be obtained from the arranged molecular movement. So the entropy denotes the randomness of the system.
these all processes like which actually you have drawn on PV diagram, can you draw all these processes on TS also?
Yes, of course.
So try to draw.
Okay. This is isentropic compression.
No, why you are drawing for compression? I'm saying the same processes, means expansion one.
Okay,
All
expansion
processes
only. Okay.
expansion only.
So, okay. This is expansion, isentropic.
Mhm.
This is constant volume. This is constant pressure, and this is isothermal expansion. This one is constant volume, and this one is constant pressure.
Constant volume, constant pressure. Why you are showing constant pressure above the constant volume?
Because the slope of the of that diagram, that dt by ds is uh, is more in case of the constant volume. Actually, it's T by Cv, and dt by ds is equal to T by Cp. So in that case,
Can you find out slope of constant pressure process on TS diagram?
yes, of course. Constant volume, na?
Yes, constant volume, constant pressure, anyone.
So this is the TDS equal to du plus PdV from the TDS equation we know, and for constant volume, PdV is equal to 0. So TDS is equal to du, that is equal to Cv dt. So TDS is equal to that. So dt by ds is equal to Cv by dt Cv. So this is the slope of the constant volume. T by Cv is the slope of the constant volume on TDS diagram.
TDS equal to du plus PdV.
Yes. For constant volume, dV is equal to 0. So for that, TDS is equal to du. So TDS equal to Cv dt. dt by ds equal to T by Cv.
du equal to Cv dt for what?
For constant volume process.
Okay.
Yes.
Like some oxygen is there or some carbon dioxide is there. Then du equal to Cv dt.
No, for ideal gases, it is du equal to Cv dt. Yes.
So you need to mention na ki du equal to Cv dt for ideal gas.
For ideal gas only.
Fine. I just suppose, Himanshu, if I will give you some kind of process on PV diagram,
Okay.
which you can represent by some clockwise circle.
Okay.
Okay. And if I will give you some equation of this circle, suppose P minus 10 square plus V minus 10 square, that is equal to suppose 25.
I'm not getting. First of all, I need to draw a circle on the PV diagram.
Yes. Draw a circle on PV diagram.
Okay, I draw it.
I'm giving some equation of a circle.
Okay. This is the circle on the PV diagram.
Something like that. P minus 10 square plus V minus 10 square equal to 25.
P minus 10.
Yes. Whole square you can write.
Achha, okay. P minus 10 square. Okay. And
V minus plus V minus 10
V
square
minus 10 square
equal to 25.
Equal to 25. Okay.
Okay. So this is some kind of cycle which actually we are represented by a clockwise circle on PV diagram, and this is the equation of that circle.
Okay.
If I will ask you what is the work in this particular cycle, how you can obtain the work?
Okay.
Mhm.
The work done in that cycle will just the area of that circle.
Mhm.
Okay. So the radius of the circle is 5 here, because it is just representing the circle that x minus a square plus y minus b square is equal to a square. So here the radius of that circle is 5. So if I calculate the work, that will be the pi, just a pi r square. That is the pi into
Mhm.
25. 25 pi will be the work, joule, or anything else.
Mm. For that you need to take some units.
Yeah, if it should be in joule.
Joule.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay. Acha, how, Himanshu, how we define thermodynamic work? What do you mean by work in thermodynamics?
Uh, okay. A system is said to be in thermodynamics. A system is said to be doing a work if its entire effect can be converted into lowering or raising the weight, though the weight may not be actually raised or lower.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Can you give me some example of work in thermodynamics?
Yes, if there is a piston cylinder arrangement and
Mm-hmm.
there is some gases piston cylinder, and if we apply some heat there, and the piston starts moving or start expanding, so the work will be done by the system, our system, that is the gas only.
Just suppose,
So
let me ask you one very practical case, Himanshu.
okay,
Suppose if we'll consider some domestic refrigerator,
okay,
okay, of some, what you can say, capacity 500 volts. हालांकि इतने का नहीं होता, close to 250 300 volts. Let us suppose considering it as of 500 volts. ठीक है?
ठीक है, okay,
So 500 volts is what you can say that you can consider it as a refrigeration effect. ठीक है?
okay, okay,
Refrigeration effect. Okay.
ठीक
COP is close to 4.
okay,
ठीक है? Suppose that the refrigerator is operating, you're using it, and
yes,
while using it, if we are interested to calculate the irreversibility associated with this particular process, because
irreversibility
this will be
associated.
operated on some kind of real system,
Yes, of course.
some real cycle will be there. So if there is some kind of entropy generation in this process, if there is, you can say ki, sir, there will be no entropy generation, but suppose if there is some entropy generation, then if
Okay,
how
okay,
you will calculate? And if there is no entropy generation, then why there will be no entropy generation? There is some refrigerator you are using, this is some kind of the
ठीक है,
refrigeration effect, some COP I have given you. Is there
okay,
any entropy generation while using that refrigeration system? If there is no entropy generation, you need to give the reason, and if there is entropy generation, then how we can calculate that?
okay.
Mhm.
Hmm. So uh, there is some heat loss.
Mhm.
So there will be some entropy generation definitely. If there will be some heat loss, because entropy is always associated with the heat or the low grade energy, not with the work. So first we need to find out that how much the heat loss is there,
Mhm.
and we can find out the work, no problem, with the COP formula, like 125 joule will be the work, and heat loss.
Yes.
One, sure. No, sir, I am not getting it. How will we find the entropy generation? First,
Try to think of it.
sir, I'm unable to find out how much the heat loss will be to the surrounding. Then only I will be able to calculate the entropy generation.
So what is the difficulty in calculating the heat loss in this?
Okay. Yes, sir, I've done it. The first thing is, let me show you. Like, yes, this is the refrigerator system. Like, this is the refrigerator there. The
Mhm.
500 is the refrigeration effect, and 4 is the COP. So if we calculate the work, there will be the 125 joule of the work, let's suppose. Okay. So 125, sorry, 500, as you have given to me in the question, and the work will be 125, or that is also the heat rejected from our system, and heat supply to the surrounding will be the 625. So now, if I calculate the total entropy generated, that will be given by the 500. If you give me some temperature of that, what I need to maintain, let's suppose T lower temperature, that is the heat rejected, minus this 625 upon T higher temperature. This whole will be the entropy generation in that process.
500 by T lower, that you are considering it as positive.
So whatever it will become, that will be the that must come to be the positive if we taking as the universe, because the entropy generation
No,
of the
no,
universe will be positive.
like if you will consider, okay, T lower will be higher or T higher will be lower. Means obviously T lower will be lower.
Yes, of course.
So which quantity will be higher here?
This must be higher. This, because this must be the this must be the higher temperature. So this total quantity will be lower.
How much we are rejecting?
We are rejecting 625.
625.
Yes.
So how we can say that that quantity will be lower, because in numerator you are having 625.
Sir, until we don't know the temperature, so of the
Suppose
resources.
evaporator temperature is 5 degrees Celsius.
What? How much?
Evaporator temperature 5 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius, consider it as 0.
Yes, okay.
You are maintaining
0 degrees Celsius.
regular temperature like 0 degrees Celsius, and suppose the atmospheric temperature is 27 degrees Celsius.
27 degrees Celsius. So in that case, 500 upon T lower to 273, that will be the entropy in that case. That is, and in that case, this will be the 625 upon T higher will be the 300. So this whole will give the total entropy change of the system. That must be something positive value.
Can it be negative also?
No, this will not be negative, because this is the whole system. This will be the entropy of the universe.
But if you will solve this equation, you will get a negative result. You can check.
So then it will be a impractical cycle.
Impractical cycle.
Yes. This is the theoretical one only.
Himanshu, can we correct something in this equation? Try to think this 500 by T lower, that term will be positive or negative. Again, you need to think. What is entropy change of your reservoir? It is Q by T, like that only you are taking, that's fine. Q by T. But when
Yes.
it will be negative or when it will be positive?
When the heat is going out from the reservoir, then we can take for the system it will be when the heat is going out of the system or the reservoir, then the entropy of the system will definitely.
Why you are mixing system with surrounding? The system entropy change will be 0. Why? Because you are drawing a complete cycle. In a complete cycle, all properties will be 0. So if
Okay.
refrigerator is operating under steady state, you can consider the change in entropy of the system as 0.
Okay.
So surrounding is separate. So when you are
surroundings are
taking heat from the surroundings, so sound that evaporator entropy that will decrease
evaporative entropy that will decrease.
because
Okay.
you are taking heat.
Okay.
So that 500 by T over term that will be negative.
That will be negative and that will be positive. Okay.
And when you are rejecting heat, where you are rejecting? You're rejecting into that.
In the condenser or atmosphere, yes.
Oh, sorry, you are rejecting into the condenser, means outside atmosphere you are rejecting. So means
Yes,
the
yes.
heat when it is going out, the entropy will increase.
Will increase, yes, definitely.
Then only you will get this term positive. Otherwise, if you will calculate, if you will solve this equation,
Okay.
you will get a negative quantity. Are you getting, Himanshu?
Oh yes, I'm getting it.
Okay. So Himanshu, my last two questions from you. What is available energy, Himanshu? Available energy क्या होती है?
Okay. It is the maximum possible work that can be achieved till the system attains its dead state.
Mm-hmm.
And a system is said to be in a dead state if it is in thermodynamic equilibrium with the surrounding.
Mm-hmm. तो कैसे find out करते हैं? How we find out the available energy?
For any system, like there are the different cases we can find out the available energy. Like
अच्छा मान लीजिए टरबाइन है, टरबाइन के इनपुट पे, like suppose at the entrance of the turbine, the heat energy which is available to you is of suppose 1 megawatt.
okay,
1 megawatt is heat is available to you at some temperature, suppose 300 degrees Celsius. ठीक है,
okay,
300 ना मान के let us consider it as 327 degrees Celsius.
327 degrees Celsius. Okay.
Steam energy which is available to you at 3. So what will be available energy? How you can calculate?
Okay. So, sir, and what is the temperature of the surrounding? Or
Consider it as 27 degrees Celsius.
27 degrees Celsius. Okay. So the maximum available energy that I can get it from here is the maximum work what I can get from here is the maximum I had 1 megawatt of energy, and in that case, initially, sir, I have the 1 megawatt of enthalpy at the entry of the turbine. So due to some irreversibility in that case, so that we can find out from the Q by T, that is the entropy of the turbine. That is the entropy or the energy loss of the turbine. So in that case, this will be the 1 megawatt. Let's suppose 1000
1 megawatt is a heat energy. Yes.
Heat, yes.
The
This
steam
is the
is
heat
available.
energy.
Yes.
This, and the temperature is about 600 Kelvin. So minus, and finally this 1 megawatt energy will be at a temperature of 300 Kelvin. So this is the whole delta S. This is the whole entropy generation in that process. And if we multiply this by the surrounding temperature, that is the 300 degrees Celsius, we will with unavailable energy. And if we subtract this unavailable energy from the available energy, that is 1 megawatt or the 1000 kilowatt minus this unavailable energy, then we will calculate
how much can you solve this? तो
Yeah,
जल्दी
of course.
करके हाँ yes
Okay. That is a 500 kilowatt is the available energy.
megawatt.
Yeah, 0.5.
0.5 megawatt.
0.5 megawatt, yes.
तो इसमें irreversibility क्या होगा? How you can calculate irreversibility?
The reversibility will be, sir, 0.5 megawatt. The total energy, the total energy I have the 1 megawatt, and out of which 0.5 is the reversibility, and the 0.5 I have done, my turbine has done the work for that.
That is unavailable energy or irreversibility, Himanshu?
Sorry.
0.5 megawatt is the irreversibility or unavailable energy?
Sir, in that case, they both will be the same. In some other cases, they are different, but in that case, when there is a when there is only one surrounding temperature and we are expanding the steam from the 600 Kelvin to the 300 Kelvin, so in that case, the reversibility and the unavailable energy will be the same.
No, they are not same.
They are not same.
Yes. Actually, irreversibility is a loss in work, loss in available energy.
Loss in available energy, yes.
So
So that's
there is any loss in available energy? That
yeah, I
depends.
think so.
You need to say, sir, if you will calculate actual work, this is the maximum work which we can obtain, that is 0.5 megawatt. And suppose
0.5
sir,
megawatt, yes.
actual system, suppose actually when you are using the shaft power or the shaft work, suppose we are getting a 0.3 megawatt.
Okay. So their 0.2 will be the reversible error.
Yes, then that will be irreversibility. Are you getting?
Okay.
So
That will
irreversibility,
loss in friction.
irreversibility is a loss in work. Irreversibility is a loss in available energy. Irreversibility is W max minus W actual.
Yes, yes.
It is not unavailable energy. Unavailable energy क्या है? There is a minimum heat rejection. ठीक है?
No. Okay.
तो अगर आप इसको यूज करोगे रियल सिस्टम में, देन वर्क विच यू विल गेट दैट इज एक्चुअल वर्क. ठीक है? तो मैक्सिमम से जब आप एक्चुअल वर्क को घटाओगे, देन यू विल गेट द इरिवर्सिबिलिटी. एंड सपोज थ्योरेटिकली अगर आप देखोगे कि सर सपोज अगर वो सिस्टम ऑपरेट कर रहा है रिवर्सिबल साइकिल पे, रिवर्सिबल ऑपरेट, तो वही जो आपका क्या है, रिवर्सिबिलिटी जीरो हो जाएगी. दैट इज द W maximum जो है.
But in that, in this case, this 0.5 is the maximum available work. We cannot find the unavailable energy in that case with this limited.
No, unavailable energy is what? The available energy plus unavailable energy is what? That is heat input. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 1 megawatt is available to you. 0.5 you are utilizing as a work. 0.5 you are rejecting.
Yes.
That is right.
Right.
Are you getting, Himanshu, what I'm saying?
Yes, yes, I'm getting.
ठीक है. So let us conclude this and let me give you the feedback. So I asked you some questions initially from thermodynamic process. तो थोड़ा सा उसको और अच्छे से डिफाइन करना है. You define your confidence level is fine, okay, but technical knowledge is also good. Like you mentioned, you approached all questions in some good manner. That is fine, okay. But again, like you can upgrade to next level, है ना. थोड़ा सा आपको इसमें improvement करनी होगा. ठीक है? Technically, first I asked you about the different processes. The process is what? A change in state. Sir, a thermodynamic process is a what you can say, a change in state of a particular system. So if there is a change in state in any system, that can be represented by a thermodynamic process. तो वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can be a reversible process, irreversible process. तो reversible process में क्या रहेगा? The system is in every time it is in equilibrium with the surrounding. There is no gradient between the system and surrounding. But irreversible में क्या हो जाएगा? Gradient हो जाएंगे. So we don't know what is the state. State को हम define नहीं कर सकते. We cannot define. We can define the initial state. We can define the final state. But intermediate states we cannot define in case of irreversibility.
We cannot find reversibility. Yes.
That's why we represent it with a dotted line. ठीक है?
Okay.
तो कंटिन्यूस लाइन कब आएगी? बिकॉज द सिस्टम एवरी टाइम इट इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम.
Equilibrium state, yes.
तो क्वासी स्टैटिक जो हम बोलते हैं ना, रिवर्सिबल फ्रिक्शनलेस क्वासी स्टैटिक प्रोसेस विद दैट. बाकी अपने प्रोसेस को सही दिखाए. एंड वर्क का मैंने आपको शायद साथ साथ ही करेक्ट कर दिया था. आई हैव गिवन यू द हिंट फॉर व्हिच केस द वर्क विल बी मोर. तो वर्क पॉलीट्रोपिक ज्यादा हो जाएगा.
Polytropic.
यस, व्हेन n इक्वल टू -1. तो आपका आइडिया ठीक था. मेरे को ठीक इसलिए लगा क्योंकि आपने अप्रोच आपका ठीक था. मतलब यू आर एक्चुअली कंसीडरिंग द एरिया अंडर द कर्व. दैट इज फाइन. बट you actually when you are comparing you need to draw the that process also on the same diagram. अगर आपने इनिशियली उसको सेम डायग्राम पे किया होता तो आपका आंसर गलत नहीं होता. आपका आंसर गलत क्यों हुआ? कि पॉलीट्रोपिक प्रोसेस यू रिप्रेजेंटेड ऑन डिफरेंट डायग्राम. उसी डायग्राम पे करते तो हो सकता है आपके दिमाग में वो आ जाता.
So, but polytropic process for which you give the value -1, is that a practical process? Its
No,
value...
like no, even the constant pressure is not a practical process. Practically, what we use this isentropic only. The reversible adiabatic expansion in the turbine. Okay, so if you will talk about that, or even if you will talk about IC engine, what type of expansion we are having? In auto cycle we are having isentropic expansion only.
Yes, yes.
So these are the theoretically one. Okay, and these are actually only giving us the work input, not the efficiency.
Okay.
Constant pressure में suppose you are getting the more work, but आपको energy भी तो देना पड़ेगा. Heat input is also required. You are getting the expansion. The pressure is constant when it is possible.
When we are supplying the heat.
Supplying heat. Are you getting? तो work तो आपको मिल गया ज्यादा, but आप ज्यादा भी तो supply कर रहे हो ना. ठीक है. Same in this case also. Polytropic में तो आपका negative specific heat होता है. तो from internal energy itself only you are utilizing. बट यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा आपका अगेन यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट द हीट ट्रांसफर कितना हो रहा है. सो वी एक्चुअली यहाँ पे हमने एफिशिएंसी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कंपेयर नहीं किया, वी जस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट द वर्क. ठीक है. सो वर्क विल बी मोर इन पॉलीट्रोपिक प्रोसेस बिकॉज एरिया अंडर द कर्व इज मोर. ठीक है. उसके बाद आई आस्क्ड यू टू प्लॉट दीस प्रोसेसेस ऑन टीएस डायग्राम, तो वो भी आपने ठीक दिखाया. Why this CV the constant volume slope will be more, that also you answered. Entropy में मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा सा आपको कंफ्यूजन था, but that finally you corrected कि entropy generation क्या होगा. Entropy generation कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? Entropy generation is the change in entropy of the system plus surrounding. So system का refrigerator is your system, so that will be zero. Surrounding का क्या हो जाएगा? Like some evaporative space and some the surrounding. For that if you will take the formula is right, but negative positive में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत थी, वो शायद आपने करेक्ट कर लिया. ठीक है. ठीक है. हाँ, इसको आप एंट्रोपी बैलेंस से भी लिख सकते थे अगर आपने एंट्रोपी बैलेंस के बारे में पढ़ा है सेकंड लॉ में, तो विद दैट आल्सो यू विल गेट द सेम काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट्स. बट एंट्रोपी जनरेशन विल श्योरली बी देयर. वो ज्यादा क्यों आएगा? बिकॉज हीट रिजेक्शन आपका क्या होता है? ज्यादा होता है. इन केस ऑफ एवरी रेफ्रिजरेटर और हीट पंप द हीट रिजेक्शन इज मोर. ठीक है. इवन अगर आप डोर ओपन कर दोगे, अगर वो आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछे कि चलिए मान लीजिए दोनों तरफ टेम्परेचर सेम है, यू आर एक्चुअली ओपनिंग द डोर, लाइक आपका जो डोर आपने ओपन कर दिया, सो दिस साइड आल्सो सेम टेम्परेचर, देयर इज आल्सो सेम टेम्परेचर, तब भी क्या होगा आपका? देन आल्सो यू विल गेट द पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी. व्हाई? बिकॉज़ इफ द टेम्परेचर इज सेम बट हीट रिजेक्शन विल बी मोर. एडिशन से ज्यादा क्या होगा आपका? रिजेक्शन, एंड दैट इज अ पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी. सपोज यू आर टेकिंग 1000 किलोवाट from the same temperature, okay, but you are rejecting one at the same
because I am giving some work in this, that's why.
तो इस केस में जो वर्क है, that work is converting into heat ना, that work is going, that entire work
converting into the heat.
तो अगर आप इससे कैलकुलेशन करोगे ना, that work is the irreversibility only. जो वर्क है वही irreversibility है, क्योंकि वही क्या हो रहा है आपका, वही that is actually causing the entropy generation. ठीक है. इस केस में भी आई आस्क्ड यू द अवेलेबल एनर्जी, तो सिंपल एक फार्मूला होता है अवेलेबल एनर्जी का, Q into 1 minus T lower by T higher. हालांकि आपने होता ना, तो T lower क्या था? दैट इज अ T lower नहीं, 1 minus Q1 into 1 minus T atmospheric by T higher.
T atmospheric by T higher, yes.
T atmospheric का 300, T steam is 600, so वो 50% हो जाएगा, मतलब 0.5 हो जाएगा. मतलब 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.5, मतलब अवेलेबल एनर्जी कितना है आपका? 0.5. और 0.5 क्या हो जाएगा आपका? अनअवेलेबल एनर्जी. अवेलेबल प्लस अनअवेलेबल क्या होता है? दैट इज द हीट इनपुट,
टोटल एनर्जी. ओके.
और अनअवेलेबल क्या हो जाएगा? सॉरी, लॉस इन अवेलेबल.
बट इन दैट केस वही वाला क्वेश्चन जो था टरबाइन वाला सर, उसमें पॉइंट. Now you ask me what is the irreversibility, sir. So irreversibility will we cannot calculate the irreversibility.
Yes, we cannot calculate. You can say, you can mention that.
We cannot calculate with sufficient data.
Yes, with this data we are not having the irreversibility.
We are not able to calculate. Yes.
With this present data, the data actually I have provided to you. Yes. But suppose if you will really operating that kind of system, what work actually we are getting? Suppose if you will measure that, अब actual work क्या होगा? ये तो theoretical work है ना, maximum work जो
that was the maximum work, that is 0.5 megawatt is the maximum work that
theoretically we are calculating. So actual का मतलब क्या होता है? experimental, yes. W actual मतलब W experimental, आपको experiment conduct करना पड़ेगा ना.
Yes.
How much work
if you had given me that actual work, then I can calculate the irreversibility.
बिल्कुल yes. तो आप बोल सकते हो सर कि अगर आपके पास है सर some turbine we are having, sir if you will attach some kind of dynamometer और उससे हम पावर, हॉर्स पावर वगैरह मेजर कर लें कि कितना हमें ब्रेक पावर मिल रहा है, मतलब हाउ मच मैक्सिमम एक्चुअल वर्क वी आर गेटिंग, तो
We
उसका
are
जो
getting
डिफरेंस
slow.
होगा दैट विल बी द लॉस इन
That
एबिलिटी।
will be, yes, yes, that is
ठीक है,
right.
चलिए तो ठीक है, आपका अप्रोच अच्छा है हिमांशु, और वो ठीक है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी ठीक है, डिलीवरी भी इज आल्सो गुड, बट अगेन एज अ टीचर आई कैन गिव यू दिस पर्टिकुलर सजेशन कि यू कैन ट्राई टू मेक, यू कैन से ट्राई टू some uplift your energy also, and you can further improve your delivery, okay, and try to reach to second level, है ना, थोड़ा सा और इसको ऊपर बढ़ाना है ताकि और अच्छे से आप इफेक्टिवली यू विल बी एबल टू रिप्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ। ठीक है, अभी
Okay.
थोड़ा थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था कुछ पॉइंट्स पे, और एडवांटेज नहीं लेना है कि सर इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द आंसर, उसको थोड़ा सोचना है। तभी
Okay.
अभी आज मैंने आपको वो सारे हिंट दिए, हो सकता है वो वहां दे, बट जनरली इट इज ऑब्जर्व्ड कि द आईएसआरओ पर्संस और एनी प्रोफेसर दे आल्सो गिव यू द हिंट, ओके, बट यू नीड टू थिंक। मैंने आपको ऑब्जर्व किया कि आप जल्दी आप कर रहे थे, मतलब अगर मैं आपको हिंट नहीं देता तो आप गलत आंसर करते मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस को। आर यू गेटिंग हिमांशु? तो
Yes, yes.
आपको टाइम लेना है, आपको टाइम लेना है, सोचना है, एंड देन ओनली यू नीड टू आंसर।
So this is the constant pressure process. This one is the constant volume. This
Draw
one.
all processes considering expansion only. Considering expansion.
Okay, okay. This is the constant volume process. Expansion. Here, this is the constant pressure. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good luck. Keep preparing.
Okay.